Welcome to this week's Monday Minutes. My name is Kelly.
And my name is Jessie. And this week we're talking to you about another enhancement you're going to see in the upgrades this fall. We're going to show you a new preference for your patrons in the OPAC where they can view their holds history.
Jessie, I'm literally the worst at remembering. If I forget to pick up a hold, I'm going to have forgotten what the hold was I even placed. So you now have the ability to allow patrons to be able to see their hold history. And that is triggered by a system preference. So libraries will need to change or update their global system preference to allow this to happen. So we'll head over to the system preference and it's called OPAC holds history. So this will be defaulted to don't allow, but if you set this to allow patrons to see the list of their past holds, once you save that, and your patrons will now see another column over on the left to include their hold history.
This is great. So they'll be able to see if the hold was fulfilled, if it was canceled, if it's pending, meaning it hasn't been triggered or trapped yet at the library. It's still checked out to another individual, or it was an on-shelf hold and we're still waiting for it to be triggered. So they'll be able to see that. And it gives us some great options to filter. So if you want to order it by date or by status, you can select that. If it's a long list and you want to search to see if you read, something by the same author, you can do that as well.
Yep. And you can order by title and see all the books by a certain author you've put on hold.
For those of you who are thinking about privacy, we did check. So if you have a patron that has opted in to turn off their privacy, this is separate from that. So even if, in this example, Kelly has her privacy set to never, so she can't see her checkout history, but she can still see her holds history.
Yeah, so this is kind of different from what happens in the staff client. If a patron does not share their checkout history with y'all, you would not see it on that side of the staff client, but there's a different line here in the OPAC.
Perfect. And a big shout out to NACLS who sponsored this enhancement, the Northeast Kansas Library System. So thank you so much for sponsoring this great development.
Thank you. This is fantastic. And again, upgrades are coming. And remember, upgrade webinars are this week. So if you have not registered for one of those sessions, you only need to attend one. Please go ahead and register. So we'll be ready to see you this coming week.
All right.
Okay.
Bye.
Have a great week.
You too. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.